Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews and Liquified. Today is May 24th and I am here on a Saturday on Memorial Day weekend packing up your orders because it is just an amazing time of year. If you guys don't know, and I don't know how you haven't heard, we are giving away this RV literally next week, a 2025 Alliance Delta ML206. So I'm sending you this email to let you know that we're doing something special for the final week of the free RV giveaway. So first, if you haven't entered the sweepstakes, go to liquifiedrav.com/sweepstakes, fill out the form, and you get 5 free entries for the giveaway. And then as you guys do know, if you did buy Liquified on our website, you got 1 additional entry for every $1 that you spent. So if you guys bought a $25 bottle of Liquified, you got 25 free entries for the free RV giveaway. Well, to celebrate this final week, we've actually 5x'd it. So now when you buy 1 bottle of Liquified, you're getting 125 additional entries for the free RV sweepstakes. Guys, this is a real RV valued at $43,000, and we are giving it away next week. So I hope everybody has a great Memorial Day weekend. Thank you to all the military men and women who served our country. And I hope everybody enjoys their 3-day weekend. Go camping, but make sure you guys also stock up on Liquified only if you need it. You know what I'm saying? Don't buy it if you don't need it. But if you do need it, now is an amazing time to get it and get more entries. So, because somebody next week, June 2nd, live on YouTube, will be winning this Alliance Delta ML206. And then finally, make sure you guys tune into the YouTube show, Matt's RV Reviews, of course, on Monday, because I think Will and we're going to be here live at the warehouse packing your orders, saying hey, talking to everybody, and having a good time. So make sure you guys put your orders in now. Since you guys are here, guys, I want you guys to see something freaking awesome. Let me turn this bad boy around. Look at our freaking warehouse. I'm here in Elkhart, Indiana. Also, we will be at the Alliance RV rally next week. And check out our massive warehouse, right? We got plenty of Liquified ready to go to Walmart over there. And then I just want to show everybody one new thing. So we actually sold out of all these bottles. So you guys are now going to see these styles of bottles on our website for this spring and summer. And it's unfortunate because we just ran out of the other bottles. It's the same product, you know what I'm saying? But the different bottle type. So what I recommend is, if you guys love Liquified and you love this bottle, save your bottle and just do something like that and refill the bottle. We appreciate all the love and support. And I will be over here on Monday packing up more orders for you guys. It's going to be an amazing time, and we're going to be doing that live. Thank you guys, sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for supporting our business, and make sure you guys buy Liquified from the website liquifiedrav.com. We'll see you guys. Make sure you Make sure you guys tune in tonight to tonight's video. It is the world's smallest Class A motorhome on YouTube. You guys aren't going to want to miss that. Thanks so much, guys. Let's say one final hey to Miss Una Girl. Thanks, guys.